So here we actually worked on the theme of open innovation and found out an unique idea of creating a dashboard style platform exclusively for programmers and coding enthusiasts. So now let's have a look at our creatively designed web page. So we used web development tech stacks like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for carrying out the designing tasks. So here is our project. So you can have a snap at our homepage where we also implemented GSAP and animation in the background, but to make it look more attractive and stunning. We designed a navigation bar at the top, which consists of five important segments that mainly constituents our main work of project. You can see the main aim, motto, and tagline of our website, which specifies the unique one-stop solution features of our website to access all types of coding resources under one roof. So in the bottom, you can also see the footer section that mainly consists of email, contact details, and the social handles. Now, first, let comes to the contest section. So, on coming to this part, we have also applied animation part also here. So, we are glad to introduce our Code Khel dashboard where students can register themselves for different hackathons, coding competitions, and several contests across college level and national level by just finding the most popular event hosting and conducting platforms like Devfolio, Devpost, Unstop, HackerArt, Hack Club, and Major League Hacking. So students just don't need to seek here and there for hackathon related updates. They just can enter or bookmark our website in their browser and use this shortcut to avoid haphazard finding of a scheduled upcoming events. Like I am clicking on the folio link, so it is directly redirecting me to the original Devfolio website. Similarly, also on coming back, so here you can also see on clicking on the league hacking, so it is also redirecting me to the official link. So just like that it works. So on coming to the back part, so we will like to introduce about the most unique and well structured dashboard of our platform, that is the learning paths. So for special mention, we named it as Code Shiksha. So, what Code Shiksha provides? It actually helps the coders and students to choose topic-wise and domain-wise learning paths according to their aim and need, and easily access the best-to-best study materials in the form of Google resources and YouTube video to clear their concept of programming. So you can see that we divided the dashboard in different small cards and arranged them in row-wise. So here we segmented them in different domains like programming languages, front-end web development, back-end web development, mobile development, and computer science fundamentals, and so on. So just like that, on clicking the first at plus the content link reference like for C++ programming, you can see it is redirecting to the tutorial page. It's taking time, but it is redirecting it. So after also clicking on the video link reference, it also provides to the YouTube playlist. So here you can access all the important materials. So this gives the best opportunity to students to access all best tutorial notes and lectures all together within a website. We hope that this will mostly benefit with such feature of improving education for our platform and for the students who will access our website. Thirdly, coming to the next section, we come across the coding journey. We term coding journey as the code obvious. So, what code obvious will do? It will help students to start their coding journey from beginner level and slowly move to pro level. You can see here all top coding practices platform links are given in a well structured manner. So, students can get access to all of them on a single page and keep records of their progress and track the solving questions in their website. Just like I am clicking on lead code, it's opening in the LeetCode website, and it's taking time a bit. You can see that here it is officially the LeetCode website. It has opened. So again, LeetCode is opening. Uh, Similarly, and coming back to the Kaggle, so it also opens to the official page of the Kaggle. Just like taking a bit time. This has opened, and just like that, we can also click on these all these links and can access the important information from these websites and can solve questions. So on coming to the back part, Apart from that, another most important feature, that is the placement preparation. Nowadays, most students target good placements in the pre-final and final year and dream to land in their dream tech companies. So to assist them, we created a simple and catchy dashboard constituting the links of important lectures for taking up the preparation in a smoothly manner. All the rounds in interview process are depicted using cards, where links are attached side by side for faster process. Like I'm clicking on the aptitude link, it is redirecting me to the YouTube playlist. Just like that, you can also click on the other links like communications round for the skills, etc., the soft skills and communication skills. Just like that, you can also access this. So, side by side, to make a regular charcha of code for the students, we can also connect with different discussion platforms and organizations like Google Developers Club, Microsoft Learn Student Ambassadors, Zix for Zix Army, like chapters, etc., where students can keep themselves engaged in different coding related discussions. Like I'm clicking on this Microsoft Learn Ambassador website, it is sending me to the official page. So all such important links are provided in the well-designed manner with attaching external links. So this was all about our project prototype of Coders Base. My teammates worked hard day and night along with me, and we came up with such an unique idea for building this Coders Base platform. So thank you for giving me this opportunity to be a part of Soft Code Hack Hackathon.